This bird slapped me and I kinda deserved it. These two babies are leaving in just an hour and they're going to a new home, and it's bittersweet, but they'll be in good hands. Then I wanted to train Mocha again. I haven't flown him in a while, and of course, he just took off. So I grabbed Troy and I headed straight to the last spot Mocha got lost, and just like that, there he was. And really, as soon as he saw us, he flew straight down, and I tossed Troy in the air to guide him home. But Troy was a bit disoriented, so he followed Mocha, but then dipped right after. And Mocha's not as fast, so he just landed next to me. And when we got back close to home, he saw Troy again, and Mocha instantly flew to him. And since he actually came back, I rewarded him, because food is trust, and that's how recall works. And by the way, Mocha doesn't know how to eat slow, so he chokes on his food all the time. And then it was time to hang with Troy, my main flyer, and I've been gone for a few days, so yeah, he's a bit attached at the moment. But even after all that time, he still knows his tricks. And no matter how long I've been away or how long he hasn't seen me, he still has perfect recall. And I've been gone for more than a week sometimes, and even after all that time, he never forgets me, but he does get angry.